The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Best Reviews. From a busy work life to after-school activities and an ever-building list of tasks, keeping the house clean can fall to the bottom of the list. Rachel Moore is standing by with top-tested cleaning essentials from consumer resource Best Reviews.
For many of us, the colder months have had us hibernating indoors, so now you may be noticing it is time to tidy up that house that you've been looking at. Joining us now with the top cleaning products is Senior Director of Content Operations from BestReviews.com, Jacob Palmer. Hey Jacob, how are you?
Thanks for having me. These are very affordable and are going to be great whenever. And you know, if you already got a good vacuum, you don't need to think about what the great ones are. Check out our YouTube if you are interested in the best vacuums. We do test those. But you know, for the everyday things where maybe you're swapping them out every 90 days anyway, this is going to be a great place to start. All
right, yeah, and a great vacuum makes all the difference, doesn't it, Jacob? That's amazing. All right, let's start with the scrubbers. I've seen these before. They have the cutest little happy faces on them. What is this?
So starting with the scrub daddies and the scrub mommies here, which is what these sponges are. Professional cleaners and people that are really experts in the space, they will say these are the ones that you need to check out, you know, because sure, it's not that expensive, but these are going to pack the biggest punch. You can see there that it's got two sides on it. Just think about your counters, right? A lot of them, they're tiled, and so you want to have one side for the grout, one side for the tile, and it's like a beautiful synchronization that way.
So true. Okay, Jacob, what do we have next?
So next is the absolute workhorse, despite its small stature. And I said, you know, we weren't going to be talking about big, expensive vacuums, so how about a smaller, affordable vacuum? And that's what we have here. This is one of our favorites because they do big sales on them. Keep this thing behind the couch, plug it in, you can use it super fast, and it's really packs a punch for how small it is.
Love it, and it's easy to hide once you're done with it. It's easy to pack away, and it's not too bulky or anything. Amazing. Okay, the pink stuff, this is like one of those viral, crazy popular cleaning tools. Tell us what it is about this that's so good.
So this is another one that we're gonna bring from TikTok. The mainstay here, the one that people are gonna be really excited about, is the Miracle Cleaning Paste that's right there because of how dynamic it is. And it was able to get out the most dug in dirt and grime possible. So this is a great one to start with, but then you get a bunch of different options. You got the bathroom cleaner here, which is the foam, which will make basically any surface go back to the pristine white that you want it to. You've also got the multi-purpose cleaner behind it here, which is perfect for the kitchen. And then you also have this last one that's going to be great in terms of the deep foam. It's really nice in terms of getting into like different areas where you use that scrub daddy, you put a little bit on it, and then you can go around wherever you want to, whether it's the car or anywhere in the home. So another great one that's like, you might as well stock up on it because a lot of times they are running good discounts there. And this is a product that wouldn't exist if it wasn't so popular on social media. And you're not spending that much money doing that.
Yeah, perfect. All right, I see we've got the big ticket item we've left for last. Tell us what this is. It looks like a mop.
What this is a steam mop, and it's from Shark. And what's great about these is they've really gained in popularity in the last couple years because people are realizing that they're not getting as much out of their mops as they would like to around the house. And this basically unlocks it with the power of steam. And the best part of all of it, this isn't that expensive either. You're gonna be finding it for less than 70 bucks even when it's not on sale.
Very cool. And you don't have to touch the dirty mop part because it has something that releases it, which mine, I have to pull it off and then I'm touching all the dirt from the ground.
Disgusting.
Yeah, this is so much better. Jacob, thank you so much. Love these products and they are tried and true. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Best Reviews is owned by our parent company, Nexstar. For more on these products and lots of others, head to BestReviews.com or scan the QR code on your screen right now.
You can find more on these products and where to buy them by going to our website, kxan.com, and searching for Best Reviews. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Best Reviews, which is owned by our parent company, Nexstar.